In this video, we are hunting a box of halves. I could only pick up one box of halves this week, so we're just going to do a one box hunt. This video might be short, but hopefully we'll get some good finds. We'll be looking for any silver, NIFCs, proofs, heirs of varieties, foreigns, or any other cool things we can find. There are a couple discolored enders that have kind of a silver tone, but I'm thinking they're not going to be silver, but we'll see it when we get to them. Let's start the hunt, and I'll bring you in when we have our first find. Roll number 9, and we have our first find. A few rolls ago I did get this 1971D that weighs 10.46 grams, and normal weight is 11.34, so it's almost a full gram light. It sounds a little different too, but I bring you in because I just got our first NIFC, and it's a 2002, minted in Denver. Roll number 15, and we're going to get a silver out of this box because I just opened the roll and I see the edge of a 40%er right there. 1968 out of Denver, silver number 1 of the box. Hopefully we can get some more. Roll 17, and we have another miscellaneous find. It is a coin with a counter stamp in it, and it's the number 0. Pretty interesting. Roll 23, and we're going to get a DDO because I just looked at this 1971D under the scope. Pretty nice condition too, I'd say, and I'm a 60 or 62. Not really many marks on it, but when I put it under the scope and I looked in the In God We Trust, you can see that pretty nice doubling on the top right serif of the eye, if I can get a good angle, right there. And then there's also some slight doubling in the rest of the model also, and especially on the straight of the R as well. And it is going to be the FS 102, as you can see, has the same kind of doubling on the eye. And then same with the rest of the motto. Value, MS 60 to 62, $38 to $46, but there's not too much of a demand for them, so I'd say less than that, and plus mine's not graded, so either way though, that's a cool find. 1971D DDO FS 102 in pretty decent shape. Roll number 45, and we're going to get a pretty cool find because I'm hunting through the roll, and I see this. This is going to be a Panamanian half dollar. Panama money is actually linked to US money, so this is also worth 50 cents USD. And this one is a 2013, so that's my first Panamanian half dollar I found. They have the same edge as the US ones, and that's really cool. The last roll of the box is actually going to provide us with one last find, and it's going to be actually another 1971D DDO. This one's in worse shape. As you can see, we once again have doubling on the word in of the motto, especially in the I and the top left of the N. So, second 71D DDO of the box, not as nice as the first one, but that's a great find. Now it's on to the wrap-up. Half dollar box has been hunted. Let's go over the finds. Only got one NIFC. It is a 2002 out of Denver. We had 3 miscellaneous finds. We had that 1971D that weighed almost a gram light, this 1992 with a counter stamp 0 in it, and then this 1979, which is either plated or it's probably just heavily polished. So interesting. Got 2 1971D DDOs. That's pretty cool. And then the finds of the box, we got this 2013 Panamanian half dollar. That's pretty cool. It looks like it's some sort of commemorative. And, of course, the 1968D 40% silver. Only silver the box, but you know what? Any box with silver is a good box.